Well, it's 3 minutes to go before the top of the hour. This is Friday afternoon, 4 o'clock my time, and just about 4 o'clock, 11 o'clock Tokyo at night, 10 a.m. in New York, and 2 p.m. in London. So we're sort of just into the beginning of the New York session now. This is just going to be a very quick update. I'm taking a trade. In fact, I've already got into the trades, but I'll show you just now. On the euro, we've got to this 50% retracement level, and we're just bouncing off that. We did poke through it, but it looks like we're going to close above it on this hour over here. And it's the right time to take a trade. We've got an oversold stochastic. We're just above the 200-hour moving average and this rising trend line from a few days ago. So this looks like a good place to take a long trade. I've taken a 3/4 size position on this. I'll show you. And my stops are going to be below the trend line. So I'm hoping for a move up on the euro, and all the conditions are right. We're above the 200 MA. We're bouncing off the fib level. There's a trend line, oversold stochastic and all that sort of thing. So that's looking good. And just having a look at the pound. Remember we talked about this cup and handle formation a couple of days ago. Well, there's the cup, it's still there, and here's the handle. And hopefully it's as forming as I hoped it would. And again, we're down to the 200 MA, the trend line, the 50% fib of the move from the bottom up to that top, and an oversold stochastic. So all excellent conditions for trades. It is Friday afternoon, but we've still got some time left in the New York session, most of the day. In fact, we're just about an hour into it. So the hour's about to roll over. And I got into these trades just a short while back. There they are, you can see. I was a little premature, but not much. So there's 3/4 size position. My normal full size position is 200,000 units, or 2 standard lots. So I've got 1.5 on each, not the full whack. And I'm 7 pips down on the euro. Well, it's just moved 8 pips down on the euro, 9 something on the pound. And the hour will roll over any second now. And we've got all the conditions for 2 beautiful long trades. It is Friday afternoon, as I said, so it may be a little quiet. There we go, we've just rolled over, the hour's just changed. And hopefully, with a bit of luck, we'll see a surge higher. We always want to see in the first 5 minutes the intent of the market, and what I like to see, we might retrace a little bit, but it's always nice if the market suddenly starts moving upwards rather than retracing back downwards again. So we've got these reversal patterns. I forgot to mention that earlier. So here on the euro, on the pound, sorry, this is the euro. Here on the euro, we've got a 1 up, 1 down. So spike low preceded by an inverted hammer. You can see it's just starting to move up now. And exactly the same thing on the pound. There's the 1 up, there's the 1 down. So 1 up, 1 downs are always good trading patterns, particularly when they're combined with these technical levels that we're looking at. And this is exactly what I hoped would happen. You can see, rather than retracing back down a bit, the pound and the euro have immediately started moving up. And often the first 5 minutes after each hour rollover, and also the 5 minutes before the rollover, will determine what's likely to happen as the market decides on a particular direction. So these trades are already moving into profit. That's what we want. It's always nice to see trades going straight into profit rather than dilly-dallying around for a long time. And that's moved up. So the pound's moved up 1.3130. It's moved up about 10 pips or so. The euro's moved up about 10 pips as well. So it's exactly what we want to see. I'm aiming, so my stop losses, I know where they need to be now because of this sudden move higher. This, well, sudden, is quite sudden, but it's small still. My stops I'm going to place below these spikes, there and there. If you want to be more conservative, you can put your stops below this spike low. In fact, I might do that because these are not full-size positions. So below there, on the pound, there would be about 1.30 Yeah, about 138, 13085 thereabouts. And on the euro, let's just have a look on the euro. Yeah, I think we'll stick with that spike on the euro. So at about 1.1, really big round number. Let's use that as a nice stop loss level. So 1.1 on the euro and 1.3080 on the pound. That's it. That's Friday afternoon. Next update will be on Sunday evening, my time, at the start of the Asian session, or just prior to that. So good luck, take care, and I'll speak to you soon.